Hello, welcome to Kap Industries. My name's Russell. This is the installation video guide for a dual cab 79 series Landcruiser from 2017 onwards. The fire extinguisher mount looks like this, and you can get one for passenger side or driver's side for the vehicle. The metal bracket comes with two M5 nuts and bolts that you can attach a fire extinguisher cage to, or you can also use it to mount a torch of some description. The installation tools you'll require is a ratchet with a 14mm socket and just a couple of 8mm spanners. In the video today, I'm going to be installing this fire extinguisher, but you can install any extinguisher so long as it has a metal cage. So when you're purchasing an extinguisher, just make sure you grab one with one of these metal cages. The procedure for install is very easy. You just remove the two factory seat bolts with your 14mm socket. After having removed your factory seat bolts, then find a position on the bracket that you can mount your cage to the bracket. Then, with the M5 nuts and bolts and your two 8mm spanners, just tighten the cage onto the bracket. Then once it's all bolted in, reinstall the factory seat bolts and do them up by hand initially, just to make sure you don't cross thread the bolts. After having tightened up your bolts, slip the extinguisher into its cage and latch it all up. What I do is then just roll the extinguisher around so that the handles are out of the way. And that's what it looks like inside the vehicle.